Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to specify exact number of matches. You can specify the lower and upper numbers of patterns with quantity specifiers using curly brackets. Sometimes you only want a specific number of matches. To specify a certain number of patterns, you just have that one number between the curly brackets. For example, to match only the word ha with the letters A 3 times, your regex would look like this: H, A, and then in the curly brackets just the number 3, no comma. So here we have A4, which has 4 A's in the ha, and then A3, which has 3 A's in the ha, and then this one has 100. Here we say multiple ha. Okay, so here we're writing the regex. The regex is ha that has 3 A's, so we only want A3 to render true if we were to test it. A3 rendering true, and false, and false. So we want to change the regex, time regex, to match the word timber, only when it has 4 letter M's. Timber. Awesome. So TIM, we only want it to match when it has 4, and then we go BR and run the tests. We see they pass. I don't know how to go more into depth on this. This is just a way to make sure that you get the exact right number. Let's console.log the result. And then we can see the result down here. Right now we get true, which means this should have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4. Cool. What happens if we put another M in there? It should be false. What happens if we take 2 away? It should be false. Cool. And we'll put the other M in just for fun. Run the tests, and it passes. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next lesson.